Casper Nyovest finally revealed why he married his wife. Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But at Bomkosi, Casper Nyovest finally revealed why exactly he married his wife. But at Bomkosi, so during his streaming time, but at Bomkosi, as he was busy engaging with his fans, he made a very interesting statement stating that his wife is not a materialistic woman. But baby girl, allegedly she doesn't mind buying shoes from China Mall and also clothes from Mr. Price, but she never compromises on a bag. But the rest of her clothing or items, they're very much affordable and cheap. She's not actually glued on branded outfits or rather branded clothes, and that makes him love her even more. Bathanda bomgosi, hayi ke sana uyabazi abasemzansi imilomo yona abayivali. Others were already speculating ukuthi uCasper, he is actually a stingy man, because why is he being excited at the fact that his wife is not a materialistic person? Hayi shem, niyakhuluma emzansi. Mina honestly, I see nothing wrong with Casper loving what his wife is like. Basically, that means that uyayithanda leyo side leyo. Please watch the following video.
My wife is not a materialistic. She likes nice things, but properly. You need to get a girl who likes nice things properly, in a proper way. Not one who. I'm sure lang Fustan. Yeah, I mean, my wife can carry an LV bag, a coat from Shein, jeans from Zara, a vest from Mr. Price, a shoe from China Mall that looks mad expensive. I don't understand why they also make such dope clothes for women. Rona majita wa bona asihlagusili cheap was born aseki mpungalala aseki mpungio. What are those? Slako samajita is cheap was born or sita nora.
Bathandi bomgosi, umuntu nje ufuna inkulumo niyambona. It is how he was struggling to explain the type of girls that are actually materialistic. Yeah, Casper, sikushebile. But then, Bathandi bomgosi, it is so beautiful to watch and see how in love Casper is with his wife. Please do leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.